Osaberema Yehowah. Woe to me, son. Woe to me, son. Osaberema Yehowah. Woe to me, son. Woe to me, son. Yebeka wonjuma ninara. Every sad wonjuma yekese. Osaberema Yehowah. Woe to me, son. Woe to me, son.
So we have a song, Osaberema Yehowah, and that's also in the key of F. And like I said, we would take everything from scratch. In our upcoming videos, we'll be working on tones, semitones, and all other foundational courses like inversions, like the names of the chords, minors, majors, augmented, suspended chords, and the likes, diminished sevenths, and half diminished chords. Those are in the upcoming videos. But for now, let's look at plain melody lines against chords on the left-hand side. And we have a song like Osaberema Yehowah. This is absolutely for absolute beginners. If you want something better than this, let me know in the comments, and we'll do an intermediate version of it. All right. So let's take it for the beginners, and let's get out of here. All right. So we have Osaberema. Okay. What I've actually done to the voice is I've dualed it. I've added the strings behind so it wouldn't be boring. But now, as I'm teaching you, let me take out the strings from the background. That's the layer. Now we have the Osaberema. We have Do, Re, Mi, 1, 2, 3. Osaberema. Try and figure it out yourself. Sometimes I don't want to teach you notes by notes by notes. Otherwise, that will not help you build your music ear. So sometimes I'll skip some of the words, some of the notes, so you can try your hands on and figure them out yourself. All right? So we have Osaberema. Focus on your left hand. The chords I'm using there. The first chord is a Do. That's a F major chord. 1, 1, 3, 5. You have F,